JoAnne S. Base is an American military noncommissioned officer. She became the first female senior enlisted service member of any U.S. military branch on August 14, 2020, having been selected for the position on June 19, 2020. She is also the first person of Asian American descent to hold the senior enlisted position in the Air Force. She will be the U.S. Air Force's 19th Chief Master Sergeant of the Air Force. At the time of her selection, she was the 2nd Air Force's Command Chief Master Sergeant at Keesler Air Force Base in Mississippi, which she had reported to in July 2018. Air Force News reported incoming Air Force Chief of Staff Gen. C.Q. Brown said Base brings skills, temperament and experience that the job requires and an outlook on leadership that meshes with his own, and that Brown said I could not be more excited to work side by side with Chief Base. Base is originally from Mililani, Oahu, Hawaii. Her mother is of Korean descent and her father is a retired U.S. Army colonel. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.